Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this delicious orange mango habanero salmon bites. It is absolutely delicious, mouth-watering and juicy. So that is my homemade sauce that I previously mentioned to you guys about. I'll let you guys know more about that later. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. But if you guys have not yet subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and smash that button. So you're gonna cut, wash, clean, and season your salmon, and you're gonna pan sear your salmon. You want it to have a good sear on both sides. Then you are going to remove and set aside after it is cooked through. Looks delicious. All right, so to the pan you're gonna add a little bit of butter, and you're gonna add some of my orange mango habanero sauce, about like a third of a cup, and you're gonna stir for about 2 minutes. Be careful not to leave it on there. I did add a little bit more chili flakes and some parsley for color. Now you are going to add the salmon here. And allow this to cook for about a minute or two on medium high. Then you're going to remove and set aside. You can serve over my delicious quinoa fried rice, or any rice of your choice, any sides, any mashed potatoes or vegetables. Guys, this salmon was super delicious. This and the quinoa is on repeat in my house, honey. It is so good. This is a great recipe for Father's Day, and I hope you guys try this one. Yeah, and do not forget to subscribe, like, share, drop me a comment, guys. I love you all. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.